Hello and welcome back. I'm your friendly neighborhood technician. Today we're going to do another Amazon slash Facebook slash Instagram product review. You see these all over Facebook, Amazon, and Instagram. You see them in the oddly satisfying videos when people are cleaning seats, interior, stuff like that. So I figured, hey, I got a seat I need to clean, so I'm going to go ahead and order one and we'll see how it actually works. I'll go ahead and link the description, or actually link the link in the description below so you know exactly which products I bought. No, we're not doing a review on the 3D printer, but we'll do a review on this right here. This is actually a review on two separate products, I guess. This is its own product, this Tornado. They also make these, but the one from the Tornado brand was about $100 more than this one. This one was like 30-40 bucks maybe. I don't even think it was that much. So but they're all pretty much the same. You see they all have this little trumpet looking thing with this little tube in here that spins around and cleans stuff. This one actually came with one that has a brush. So I don't think I'm going to use the brush one right now. I'm just going to go ahead and see how this one works. This is the product. This stuff right here, this is 100% concentrated. This is diluted 2-to-1, because if you look at the back here, it says for directions: test carpet or fabric for color fastness, remove excess solids or liquids. Enzyme may be used at full strength on difficult to remove stains. This is a difficult to remove stain. And odors, or diluted 3 to 4 ounces per quart for minor stains and odors. For test results, use those numbers right there. Let stand for 5 minutes. Wipe clean with a clean cloth or microfiber and allow to dry. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to spray this right here on the stain, and then I'm going to let it sit for 5 minutes, and then we're going to go to town with this, and we're going to get that and see how that actually works. You're going to need an air compressor for this because it is pneumatic, so you're going to need an air compressor and a fitting that fits that. As you can see right here, it's pretty yucky. So this is probably from too many trips to the fast food places with too many cups in the car, too many cups in the cup holder and the drink holders that they give you with, that little cardboard piece of crap they send you with, and they fall over, they leak everywhere. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hose it down with this that's not diluted at all, so it's going to be full strength. I'm going to let it sit for 5 minutes, and then we're going to try to clean it. Might as well get the whole seat. Now we're going to let that sit for 5 minutes. This one did come with some replaceable parts too, so that's cool. I think some of them did not come with replaceable parts, but here are the instructions right here. You can see it's not that hard. This became mostly assembled, so this piece right here was already installed, so I didn't have to put that on, and I didn't have to do any of that. All I had to do was basically thread on that bottle right there. Oh, it did come with this mitt, so I don't know what they expect me to clean on the interior with a microfiber mitt, but you can see it right there. I mean, I would use this on the body, but I'm not going to use it on interior cloth. So as you can see right here, the pressure you're going to need is 6 to 9.2 bar, which in PSI is 14.7 PSI per bar. So this is actually how it works. You can see right here, valve's closed, so I'm not going to be blasting my phone with suds. So that's what it looks like. You can see that it's already taken some effect on the stain, which is making me optimistic, since this interior was cleaned by a professional who said that that stain could not be removed. So let's see if we can prove him wrong. Damn. Let's keep going. Oh yeah, don't forget to turn that on. Well, it's a little better. It cleaned it about as good as I was expecting. Some of these more difficult stains like that, those are going to be there. All these small spots, I have no idea what those are. Maybe those are oil-based stains. Who knows? But it is a little cleaner. It's going to dry up, so this whole V right here won't be right there. So other than that, I think if you had some fresh stains or fresher stains, these are probably years old. So there's no telling, you know, what or if anything is gonna get these off. So if you had some fresh stains, that thing will probably work wonders, whereas these old stains, not so much. Thank you for watching. Make sure you hit subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on notifications so you get a notification when I post a new video.